Your CPAP machine should be placed on a level surface at your bedside, such as on a bedside cabinet. For your CPAP to work, it needs to be connected to mains electricity. Remove the power supply unit from the two plastic bags. Plug the power supply unit into the back of the inlet on the back of the CPAP machine. Then connect the power cord with the power supply unit like so. And finally, plug into a wall socket. Next, you will attach the tube. Remove the tubing from the packaging. Connect the right angled elbow into the air outlet on the back of the CPAP machine. Then connect one end of the tube onto the elbow. Both ends of the tube are identical, so it does not matter which end attaches onto the elbow. The CPAP machines have an internal humidifier, and we do recommend you utilise this feature. A side effect of the CPAP machine is dry mouth and also bloating. Using the humidifier can reduce these symptoms. Firstly, you need to remove the end plate from the CPAP machine. There is a small catch on the right-hand side of the CPAP. Using your finger and thumb, press this catch down and slide the end plate out. Inside, you can see the internal humidifier heat plate. Remove the humidifier chamber from the packaging. On the side of the humidifier chamber, there is a catch. Lift this and open the lid. This chamber needs to be filled with normal tap water up to the max line on the side. Close the lid gently and slide the humidifier chamber inside the CPAP machine until it is flush. To remove the chamber, using your finger and thumb, press down the grey catch on top of the humidifier chamber and slide it out the machine. You now need to connect the mask. Remove the mask from the clear plastic bag. Unclip the additional plastic strip from the frame of the mask and remove the mask connector. Press the connector into the mask until you hear a click. Finally, connect the mask connector onto the tube. There are a number of different masks available, but most consist of 5 main components: a mask cushion, headgear, a frame, a mask connector, and safety exhaust valves.